Hello, everyone. This is Eric Diaz, CIS 103. I had a few questions on the assignments, in particular the HubSpot assignment. So I want to make a quick video and show you guys how easy this can be to do. I know a lot of you guys already turned it in, but let me just walk you through an example of this. I'm gonna hop right into it. Let me share my screen. All right, so this is the link that I gave you guys to get into HubSpot. Easiest way to do it, I think, is just use your Google account, which would probably be your PC. And so I'm going to do that. I'm going to link it. I'm going to sign up using my PC account. It knows I'm higher education. You can change that if you want. Most of this stuff doesn't really matter what you put in, like coming up over here, but you can put your fictitious business name. All of that stuff will help you as far as having the format set for when you send your email. So yeah, but most of this is just kind of so they can learn, the tool can learn a bit about you, but it really won't make much of a difference when you actually send out your email blast. So I'm going to choose the ones that make the most sense to me as far as these questions, where they're looking for more details about my business. I'm going to say I've never used a CRM before, and then I'm going to finish sign up. So that's 6 steps. You kind of just click through it. It should only take you about a minute to get through that. And now I can do a demo. Looks like I probably have to. So yeah, I would advise, I'm going to try to skip through it because I'm pretty familiar, but you guys should watch this. It'll teach you a little bit about it. So I'm going to close that down, and then let me show you the next step. Hold on one sec. All right, guys, next thing that I want to do once I get that basic set up, basically what you want to do is go into your marketing tab, and you can click on email, marketing, email. That's where you want to be. And that should get you, and there's a lot of tools in here, and you guys can explore those. But what you want to do is be here, because this is where you're going to actually complete the assignment. So once you get here, I already just started a draft. You can see basically, well, let me start it again. So I'll hit new email, and it's going to load, and it's very user-friendly, drag and drop. So I put in a coffee cup. Basically, I just kind of made up a coffee company would be my fictitious business. It's loading up right now, but everything is fully customizable. I can drag things in from the left side and pop them in there, and those will be different features. But I already selected a template, which you guys will see the option to select the template as well. And then those templates already have a section for images, and then sections for text, and then also buttons below. So really, it's just up to you to start plugging in the content, which you already have, because the earlier part of this assignment was to create the 3 emails. So then once you have that, basically, you're just going to start replacing these. So what I did right here, I replaced that default image, and I put in my coffee cup. And then I believe you can also search with, I think it's Unsplash on here, and just find them. Let me click one. So I clicked on the image, I hit replace. And so it says I can search images, folders, or stock images. So if I type in coffee, let's see what happens. Stock images. So it actually has lots of options for me. So I don't even really have to find images other than my logo. Of course, I want my logo, but it already has lots of stuff that I can use. So you can use that, or you can use your own images as well. And then of course you want to be plugging in your text. So your main email, wherever you make sense, you want to start putting in your content here. I was just kind of typing up some content here, and then you can change your call to actions. You can click that. You can change so it goes to your specific website, which of course you guys want to do. Maybe instead of shop now, maybe it's learn more. All these things are fully editable. Put like your website.com, all these things, so it actually works. So that way, when you guys send to me, I can click through and I can kind of play around with your email and see if you guys got the whole grasp of it. So all these things, basically just customize it, and I'll show you the final step of it. So that's the edit. There's 3 tabs here that you really want to pay attention to: settings, and then who's it from. So you're going to want to put your company name here. So I'll just call it, I don't know, Blue Star Coffee. And then I will put subject line. So this is what the email subject's going to be. You guys, again, use this from what you already created. And then that's pretty much all you have to do here. Preview text. So that's something that this will be used as the preview text. It displays in some email clients. So you guys have noticed this, like in your Gmail, you'll see the main subject, but then there's a little line of text just below it. So that's what this is, and it's a really good opportunity for you guys to get more eyes on your and to increase the likelihood someone will open your email. And finally, hit send or schedule. So here, what you can do, this would be like if you've actually set this up, or you have. Oh, it looks like they put a sample contact. So this is good. All right, I can use Maria Johnson sample contact, and now I'll be sending. Now, if you look at it, I can send this to her, but really what I want to do, because obviously you guys have to send this to me for grading, hit send test email. So this is the final step of this. Once you've got everything, once in your edit, you've got everything set up, then you go to your settings, make sure your subject line and all of that, call it, Blue Star. For me, I was going to say Blue Star Coffee Spring Promo. And then send it to me, hit send test email. And then what you're going to do is, I'm already loaded up in here. And let me see, I wonder if I think you can just, so if I just want to, eric.diaz@phoenixcollege.edu. And now that's all you'll want to do is just add me into there. And it looks like you'll have to hit verify address. Yeah, verify sent to. So if it asks you to do this, just do it, and I'll click the verification on it, and then hit send test email. So then what you should be seeing is this test email successfully sent. And then once you do that, that's basically it, because at that point you'll have sent it. If you struggle with that part of it, what you can always do as well is you could set yourself up as you could add yourself. Let me show you how to do that. I'm gonna pause it really quick just so I can show you that last part. Okay, so what I was saying is if you want to send it to yourself and then just forward it from there, you can do this as well. So you can go to contacts, just click contacts, and then you'll arrive here, and then you'll see that orange button says create contact. Put yourself in here. So I'll just put my Gmail right now, and then I'll put my name, Eric Diaz, and then I think that's pretty much all I need. I'm gonna hit create contact, and then let me go back to my email blast, and I'm gonna hit, I'm gonna go to settings, or hold on, let me go to my list. And now, okay, so now I wanna send it to myself. So I put myself in there. All right, so now if I wanna go ahead and blast that out, oh, let me refresh this. I think it's saying that I need to refresh. Let me close out this other one. Refresh this to make sure. Okay, so now it's got my title. It's got all of that. I'm gonna add my email account right here, and I'm going to send it. So there's some more details I want you to put in. So just make sure to add those in, and then once you do it, you'll be able to send that to yourself. So again, this is another option. If it asks to verify the email first, you could skip that and send it to yourself and then forward it from here. Either way is fine, but just let me know if you have any issues with this. I hope I covered everything, but you should be. I know most of you guys have already turned this one in, but I know there's some of you that were still having issues, so I wanted to create this video. All right, hope that helps. Talk to you soon. Bye.